Hi guys, how are you all? So I'm Asad Sheikh from Iqonic Design and I will be your tutor for this course. And in this video, we are going to see how to implement view restriction in data visualization using Graphina. And it's going to be easy peasy. Just imagine a scenario with me. You have collected a big amount of data and you have converted it into graphs and charts. And it's benefiting your firm and you are one step ahead of your competitors. And your hard work is paying off. But at one evil hour, your data just fall into wrong hands, that of your competitors, and your strategies are all falling apart just like Dr. Strange spells. And that would be pretty awful, right? So to avoid this kind of situation, this video is all about privacy in data visualization. Stay with me till the end of this video because I will tell you why Graphina is the best tool as it implies the security and view restriction in 4 different ways. Limited data for logged in users, password protecting your data, role-based access, user ID-based access. So let's start with the tutorial. So let's open the Graphina in our web and we will add view restriction in the given column chart. And we can see this view restriction access in the content panel. So just click on that. Opening in this default, it will show you no restriction access. And below in the drop box, we can see the various types from which we can apply view restriction. So starting with the logged in user, selecting this, the following chart will only be visible for the users who are logged in, as it just like says in the title. And for not logged in user, the following description will be displayed. Currently we can see the chart because we are logged in users. Moving to the password protection, here for the convenience I have to change the color of the card. So entering the password protected, you can set your password from here. For example, I am putting the password like 123. Below that in headline, you can change the head of the card. For example, I'm just changing it to the password protected. Below that, we can change the label of the button, that is here. And for example, I am changing the label to register. And then we have an error segment. It's enable and default and will show this message, but you can disable it according to your choice. Going down, you can even change the error message, like I'm changing it to password incorrect. Then we have the instruction text at the end, that is the content displayed here, and you can change it from down here, like I'm giving a minor changes. Now I will just update all the changes and update a page. You can see this chart is password protected. Now if I update all the pages and update a page, you can see this chart is password protected. And once we enter the password, we keep the chart visible. So person having the password can access the chart very easily and the privacy of this chart will maintain. Now moving to the role base, in it the authorized person having a specific role can access this chart. So let's do it. Select role-based access from the drop box and you can see this card on the page. Here you can see the select role and you can just select the role you want to give access to from the drop box. You can select multiple roles as well. And here you can customize the message that an unauthorized people will see. For example, I will add the administrator role and now we can see the chart. This is the easiest way to hide charts from some roles and keep limited access. And the role base can do the guarding. Now moving to the user ID-based access. And this is somewhat similar to the role-based access. The only difference is you can give access to the specific authorized person. Selecting user ID-based access, you will get this message on your screen and you can select your user from the given Dropbox. It helps you to give access to the one specific person rather than the whole group, and it is more protected. And these were the data protection features provided by Graphina. These 4 features are the pillar of privacy in data visualization. The future of view restriction is very rare in the market of data visualization tool, but Graphina has it. The view restriction feature is well developed and your data is safely rely on it. And it's next to impossible to crack open it. And your data is as barricaded as Area 51. It has been interesting and engaging video till now, and if you haven't seen the previous video, you can just go and watch it. We have made amazing dashboard using the Graphina. And stay connected with our channel. We will come back with some other content. Till then, subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it to your friends and family so they can also take help with this easy course. Till then, hasta la vista.